Morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 5th. Textbook page number 16. The topic is number sequence and patterns. Now look at the book. Question is write the number sequence by following the rule. Start at 24 and count in threes up to 48. So the answer will be start with 24. We will write 24 first and count by threes. Then 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48 up to 48. After 48 we will stop here. Start at 20 and the rule is plus 10 minus 5. So here is the question. The answer will be start with 20. So we will write first 20. Then the other will be plus 10. The other number will be 30. Because we are editing 10, and the third one will be minus 5. Minus 5 means 25. We will subtract 5 from this 30. Then after 25 we will again add 10. So the answer will be 35. Then minus 5. So the answer will be 30. So it goes on because there is nothing in the question at the stop or up to that value. So the question is going on. Start with the 20, then we will add 10, the answer is 30. Then minus 5 from this answer, the answer will be 25. Then again plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35. Then minus 5 from 35 is the answer is 30. Part B, write all the odd numbers between 30 to 40. All the odd numbers are 31, 33, 35, 37 and 39 between 30 to 40. This is the answer of part B. Now look at the part C. Start at 2 and double the numbers each time till 128. The answer will be part C is start with the 2 and then we have to double the number. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 the 64 and then 128. Now we have to stop here because in the question there is mention double the number each time till 128. Now it's 128, so we will stop here. Now part D, start at 250 and count backward in fives to 225. The answer of part D is start from 250, count backwards in fives. It's mean backward to fives we will minus or subtract 5 from this value. The answer will be 245, 240, 235, 230 and 225. Here we will stop because in the question there was mention count backwards in fives to 225. So part E, we are going to start it with 128 and now we are dividing it by 2. When we will divide it by 2, the answer will be 64, and when we will divide 64 by 2, the answer will be 32. Again divided by 2, the answer will be 16, then 8, then 4 and then 2 and then 1 because 2 ones are 2. So here we will stop because there was mention in the question till 1. You have to solve these questions on your neat copy. Now question number 2, write the next 3 numbers in each of the number sequence and state the rule. Now look at here. Question number 8, 10, 30, 50 and then 70. 10, 30. It's mean we are editing here 20. Then we will add 20 in 30. The answer will be 50 and then again. So 70 plus 20. The answer will be 90. Plus 20 is equal to 110 and then 130. And the rule is, you can write the rule here in bracket. Start with 10. Start at 10. Start at 10 and comma add 20. We was editing 20, so we will write here start at 10 and then add 20. That's the rule. Now part B, 256 and then 128, then 64, then 32. It's mean we are dividing it by 2. Again 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 and then 4. The rule will be start at 256 because the first word was 256. Divide by 2. We was dividing it by 2 till 4. The last digit is 4. So we will write here till 4. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. It's mean we are editing 3 here. So we will write start at 1, comma, add 3. 13, then 16, then 19, then 22. Part D, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. It's mean we are counting 3's. 21, 24 and 27. We will write here start at 3, comma, counting 3's. The last one 72, 68, 70, 66, 68 mean we are editing subtracting 4 and then editing 2. Subtract 4, add 2, subtract 4, add 2, subtract 4, 64, add 2, then 66, subtract 4. Then answer will be 62. We will write here start at 72 minus 4 then plus 2. Now fill the copy and fill in the missing numbers. Part 8, 2, 5, 8, 11, then plus 3. The answer will be 14, then 17, then plus 20, then 23. With the same process you have to solve it on your textbook.